Students, we are solving NCERT exercise 3.6 question number 2 third part. In this you have been asked Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus. That is, you have to find out the speed of the train and the speed of the bus separately. So what we do, first we will suppose that the speed of the train and the bus be x km per hour and y km per hour respectively. And when she travels 60 km by train, in the first part she travels 60 km by train and the remaining, since total distance is 300 and out of that she travels 60 km by train, so we subtract it 300 minus 60, it will give you 240 km. This distance she will travel by bus and the time taken is 4 hours. And since we know that time is equal to distance upon speed, now this 60 km is your distance traveled by train and the speed of train is x km per hour. So we have written 60 upon x. This 240 km is the distance traveled by bus and y km per hour is the speed of the bus. So we have written 240 upon y. And both the time taken by train and by bus is equal to 4 hours. It is given in the question. So this will be our equation. Now you can divide throughout all the terms by 60. So you will get 1 upon x, here you will get 4 upon y, and here you will get 1 upon 15. So let it be equation number 1. Now for the second part, when she travels 100 km by train and the remaining, since she already traveled 100 km by bus and the total distance is 300, so we subtract 100 from 300. So this 200 km she traveled by bus and she time taken by she is 4 hours and 10 minutes. This 10 minutes can be converted in hours by dividing by 60. So the total time will be 4 plus 10 upon 60. 0 will be cancelled out. We get 4 plus 1 upon 6. On taking LCM, we get 24 plus 1 upon 6, which will be 25 upon 6 hours. This is the total time taken by her when she travels 100 km by train and 200 km by bus. So again, our second equation will, how can we frame it? This is the distance of the distance traveled by train and x is the speed of the x km per hour is the speed of the train, and 200 is the distance traveled by bus and y km per hour is the speed of the bus. So again we have used the same formula, that is time is equal to distance upon speed and the total time is 25 upon 6. So that's why dividing all the terms of this equation throughout by 25. So 100 upon 25x will give you 4 upon x, 200 upon 25y will give you 8 upon y, and 25 upon 25 into 6 will give you 1 upon 6. So let it be equation number 2. Now you see here you have equation number 1 as 1 upon x, and so what you do, you multiply equation 1 by 2. So here when we multiply equation 1 by 2 in this step, so we multiply equation 1 by 2. So on multiplying this equation by 2, then it will give you 2 upon x plus 8 upon y is equal to 2 upon 15. So this will be the equation. Let it be equation number 3. And subtracting equation 3, which is this, from equation 2, which we obtained in earlier, that is 4 upon x plus 8 upon y is equal to 1 upon 6. This is our equation number 2. So we write here equation number 2. Here we have written equation number 3. Now you can see, since the coefficient 8 upon y, sorry, and here also we have 8 upon y. So both are same like terms with positive signs. In order to eliminate these terms, we subtract both the equations. So 4x, 4 upon x minus 2 upon x. On the left hand side we will get, since 8 upon y minus 8 upon y will be cancelled out, and on the right hand side we will get 1 upon 6 minus of 2 upon 15. Here when we take LCM will be x, so on numerator will be 4 minus 2. And on the right hand side LCM will be 30, so the numerator will be 5 minus 4, that is 1 upon 30. So 4 minus 2 will give you 2, so it will become 2 upon x. And on right hand side we have 1 upon 30, so it implies that x will be 60. Now substituting this value of x in equation 3, which is this equation. So in place of x we will write 60, so 2 upon 60 plus 8 upon y is equal to 2 upon 15. On solving 2 by 60 we get 1 upon 30 plus 8 upon y is equal to 2 upon 15. And on transposing 1 upon 30 to the right hand side, we get 8 upon y is equal to 2 upon 15 minus 1 upon 30. On taking LCM of 15 and 30, which is 30, we will get the numerator as 4 minus 1, which will give you 3 upon 30. On cancellation, you will get 1 upon 10. So it implies that 8 upon y is equal to 1 upon 10, and it again implies that y will be 80. Hence the speed of the train is 60 km per hour. That is you have supposed that the speed of the train is x, and x is found to be 60 km. So the speed of the train is 60 km per hour, and the speed of the bus is 80 km per hour.